Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use the agent builder and teaching mechanism. So as you can see here, this is the main instruction area of our agent. It's divided into different sections. The easiest way to use it is to use an AI to modify your script. So you simply type what do you want to do, like make the script less aggressive, add some visuals. Then you click the regenerate, and then you have an option to build two types of you have two options to choose. One is improve, the second one is rebuild. Improve will improve your existing script, adding all the things you want. Rebuild will just take the instruction, take the details that you will put it down here, and just strictly rebuild it. You can in this regeneration tool with AI, you can use a different kind of things, like you can include your knowledge base, which will dramatically make your script better, because if you added knowledge, then our AI will learn it before it will create the instruction for your agents, which make it more compliant with your needs. Then, if you, for example, need some images because you're using visuals, like you want to show some slide to people or you want to explain something, you can generate images. You can force the agent to use a different type of interface if you have something particular on your mind. If not, it will be automated. You can choose the integration. So, for example, if you want to integrate it with Stripe and Sales, so you simply tag it. You can use the website URL. So if you post here the URL, your agent builder will take the content from that URL and use it to build your script. You can of course upload some files, and you can decide which visuals you want to use. If you will not use the visuals, then actually agent will do it for you. In the near future, we will give you ability to ask also other agents. Let's see what this agent will do with Improve. Okay, so as you can see now, the agent builder finished his job. As you can see here, you can easily see what was removed, what was added, based on everything you selected. I can easily see that the improvements, and also you can see that the system generated for images that will be used, and actually they are used inside your system. You can go here and again give a prompt to rebuild it. So like make pictures more corporate, or add more integration with MPCP, whatever you want here, and it will go on and on until you have the best kind of script. So you can apply changes. So when you actually make changes here, you just need to upload those changes to Clono, which will just clicking the button, and now your agent is live. You can simply talk to it by clicking share and use and talk to agent, and you can choose one of the three different options to talk it through. So basically, let's see how it works. So, hi, my name is Enzi. I'm the AI support agent for Airminals. Please tell me what's your question or problem, and I will help. Tell me something about MCP. One moment, please. Okay, I will not go through that because it's something that everybody knows. However, we will go through this later. Let me show you also the other part of the system. So when you're building the code, you can every time add a new section. So when you add a new section, you can put a manual information, so additional instructions. So the system will keep in mind that instruction and that instruction needs to be validated, and it will be optimized, so you don't need to worry about that. Every instruction can be set to disabled and enabled from the agent immediately or deleted. This is the thing. What else you can use here? It's actually you have an access to the history of your rebuilds, so you can always revert the changes, or you can check their previous scripts in full, and you can restore it. This is very helpful thing. On the bottom side, you can always choose the commands library. So if you are the coder which is using the proper code, and actually you can choose a different integration, and you can check the commands, the MCP commands your agents can do. And the third one, the media option, is that is very helpful because it allows you to inject into agent some kind of files or images that the agent can use. If you don't have it, or you want to, for example, prepare it here, you can simply type what do you want, shepherd dog with in a noise area, and it simply will generate you that image. And if you, for example, have an image here or a PDF or something, you can upload it, and the system will create you an image that actually meet your expertise. So that's very helpful in creating the visuals inside the terminals. So that's basically how simple it is. You simply to change it and upload it to the thing. So the other part is that as I show you at the beginning, you can use the direct communication system here to talk to your clients and see how it is, but you need to remember to upload it first to the system. But if you don't want to do that, you can use a simulator. Simulator is a very helpful thing to build your agents. So you can start the simulator by clicking here, and the simulator is constructed so you can have a raw conversation with an agent and adjust it on the fly. So let's say that you just want to see what kind of comments that the agent is using, what kind of session ID are coming there, what data are loaded. This is the thing for you. So you can have a simulator here. As you see, we started the simulation. We can ask him something like, how are you? And during this conversation, you will see that the agent is replying and giving you answer to your questions. As you can see here, those are the answers. You can, for example, show me something. We'll see if it's working or not. This way, I don't know. I did not prepare it, so we're just having fun. On the right side here, inside the simulator, you have three different things, and three different things. But before we go through that, let me just show you something. You can see here that we are in the debug mode, which we actually see all the commands here. If we switch it on, you will see the route input that humans see without any kind of comments or MCPs or visuals. However, on the right side, as you can see here, the system is detecting automatically what kind of comments and screen, what kind of inputs are triggered. So you know what will be pointed to the screen, what will be the input from the screen. This is all what you can do here. If you can actually do something here on the top, which is very helpful during the conversation. Without closing that simulator, you can write here like comments and notes. What would you like to change it? So I don't like when the system agent, not the system agent, replies so hugely. This needs to be short, and you can actually add it as a prompt, add it as a lesson, but I will use one of the coolest thing here, which is regenerate. And based on your simulation, and the system will start regenerating the script and creating a new version, so you can test it with all your things. And this will take a second. As you can see, system regenerated based on what we actually did. So it's removed or it's added some main information. It removes all the stuff and just simplify it. Yeah, so it did everything what you asked for, and also created some new images, so you can apply the changes. So that's how simulator works. So you can easily have a conversation and test your agent before you will deploy it.